Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello everyone. When we create a login progress process, we'll, we we will first create a login page that usually contain a username and password. When the login button is clicked, it will send the username and password into the database table. If the process is complete, it will direct to the following page without checking the process first. Uh, what if we make it so that each admin can only open the page that is intended for them? One of them is to create a access right database table. The function is uh, the function of this access right table is to check that page an admin can enter and will follow the shown pages according the access right he has. How to make it? Follow this video until isn't finished. Make sure your SAMPP here, Apache and MySQL has been started, and then open your php by click this and you click here php like this, you click here, and then you will show this page, and then we will create a new database here. The name is multi-user, like this, multi-user. Create, you click create here, and then here we give name of table is admin, like this, and maybe we just need three column. You give three here. We create. First we will fill with login ID, score ID, and then the type is integer. We make this auto increment, primary key auto increment, and then the second we give username. Here type we change to varchar here, and the length maybe we give 50, and the last we give here password like this. We give here varchar 2, and the length is 52. Now we save. Okay, here we here we have login ID, username, password. Now move to our VS Code. Now click here in open folder here, and then here we will drop our database or our uh, VS Code file here in our SAMPP, and we drop here htdoc, and here we'll create a new file. I will give here the name is multi-user, then select this folder. Okay, yes, you click yes, and then you close this and create new folder here. First we will make uh for file for checking a connection. Give name here I will give enc connection dot php. Then here we'll give a new for or a few entries for checking the connection. First type like this php, and then we will enter like this db host, underscore host, sorry, underscore host here. We use localhost, and then second is db user, db underscore user, because we use some pp. The name of user is default of user is root, and then the path is empty like this because we use we use some pp. And the last we give a db name, and the name here, because my table is multi-user, I will give here multi-user to multi-user. Then we'll make a checking what we say with checking connection. We type here dollar, and then con and then connection for checking the connection, and then we type like this: MySQL underscore connect, fence here dollar db host, comma dollar db user, comma dollar db pass, and last is dollar db name. This for checking the connection from this. And then we give here, oh sorry, we give fence Kurawal fence here. We give if uh connection is active, uh give message or echo here connection success. But if the connection is failed or or unconnect, give message connection failed. Okay, but you can see here, uh open our terminal to check what problem, and syntax error unexpected token if here. Oh, wait, oh, I wrong here. Actually it's not like this, but we must cancel or close our code, every code with this dot comma, and here we erase it here like this. Okay, now we will checking the connection. Click here in terminal, and then type like my type here php and enc underscore here. You follow your folder name here, because my name is enc connection.php. I type here enc connection dot php, this to checking status or of our connection. Enter. Okay, here what connection success. Because I need what because I need message only displayed if our connection have a trouble. I will erase this. I erase this until sorry, erase like this, cancel, delete, and then you give in front of dollar connection and exclamation mark like this. This to make the echo only. Oh, we change this. We die like this. Die like this. Hmm. We change with lah like this. Okay, we close like this. This to make connection pilot only displayed is our connection have trouble. Now we will make a new folder here to what this folder enc underscore connection this file for checking the just checking the connection. And here now we will create what PHP for uh, visual or UI display. Here we give exclamation mark if you use what use Visual Studio Code, and then here type here in enter of body here like this crash app, but before this we must get dot crash app like this, and then we erase this class, and then sorry inside of id crash app this we make a form like this type action. We don't fill the action, but we give a method here. The method is post, and then inside of form we will give an input text input like this input. The type is text, and we give a name here. Name is username. Username, and then we give class here. The class is input like this, and the last we will give a placeholder to make this type username displayed. And then we will give break twice there again, this to make spacing with what with input in his bottom. Then we will make a new input like this. Input type password, name password, class input, placeholder password. And the last we make a button type submit, name. Okay, we'll give a name first. Name is login. Name here we give login like this, and value this correct and submit. Oh, we don't type this first. Okay, now we'll checking in our browser. Open here and type like before, or like before video this localhost slash php, and here we fill with our database name multi-user. Multi-user, because we don't use index.php. Here we type the file. The file is login.php. Enter. Sorry, what's wrong? Oh, here double dot. Actually, we just need one. Now enter. Okay. This is correct. And look, but now we will setting the CSS to make it more prettier. Back to our VS Code. Before that, I will give a title for our form. Oh, sorry, not here. Mm, maybe here. H1 like this. Sorry. H1 tab, And here I will give name is login page. Login page like this. And then now we will create a new folder, but okay, we will give a link first because if we don't give a link, our CSS file is not input or used in our login PHP. Here we give name is style.css like this, and here we setting first is like this star fence, and then we give font family to setting the font. I will use sans serif, and then I will give font size setting. I change to 14 px. Then now I will setting the HTML to setting the background here. Here I will give background color here, and I will make the background color is not white, but is white but not really white, like this. D D like this. Now we will setting the ID here. We give crash app like this, and then first I will setting the width here. Width we give 900 px, and then we give a margin auto here to make it on the center of our page web, and then we give a padding here. We give 10 px, just 10 px, and then we give border radius a color, background color, this background color we type, and the last we give a border radius 5 px like this. Now I will setting the title of our page. Here I type h1 tab, then give offenses. I will make the what we say. Our title is bigger than other. We choose here font size, then we give a 30 px. Okay, and then we'll setting the what's here. We say this submit or not input. Sorry, we'll setting the input dot input this what following this class input, and we give offenses. We give a padding here, padding maybe 10 px, and then we give a width here we give 300, sorry, 300. Okay, let's check the result. Refresh here. Okay, now we see this. Okay, and then I will try to make a little change here. I will erase this dot input, and I try to see the result. Oh, same. Okay, maybe this is not problem. Now we'll setting the VS Code again. Open your login.php. Now we will make what we say with include connection. Yes, we'll include this enc connection.php to this login.php. We'll drop in here, top of HTML file. Type here this and this what PHP like this because we have HTML file. Don't forget to give a close symbol like this. If here we don't give an close mark like this because here we don't have anything uh bottom of this file. Back into our login PHP. And here we give like this include to make this checking connection like this include, and then we give fences, circle fences, and we give quote like this, and then here we type enc underscore connection dot php. After this we will make this button. If we click the button, we will make the button have a meaning or function here. We give like this if set, and then sorry, dollar first, dollar underscore pause like this, and we give a square fence here login. This what type login this back to this name login form the input submit value login this. After this, here we give what happen if we click this the code. Now we will type what happen if the button we click. Here username we take from username, and the password we take from password. This if we click here automatically what input in here username and password here automatically what take it. And then if the people don't fill our input area, we will give a message like this if again username sorry, I'm forget the dollar symbol. If supername uh like this, same like this, and we give a quote, single quote, the meaning is not fill like this, username is not fill, or dollar kin password is not fill to like this. We will give the message here. The message is we will use this what variable r. We make r just r. Actually, this up to you what you type here, but I use r like this. Like this, and then we give like this. Please enter username and password, but we will give a decoration before. Here we give like this, le, and we take what? We take this type Control X into this Control V. sorry, we must take here and we give here to here, and we erase this, and now we erase this too. After that, we give an what identity to make it not error. If we use this code in our browser, we give dollar like this, and then username same like this and like this. We give a quote or single quote, and we close with dot comma. Same like this, we give definition for password too and the R2. Oh, maybe we change the R with error like this to make you not ambigu with that code. Here we give error like this. Error same like this. This to make our code not error or something deploy or display it in our code. And then if mm, nothing problem in our here, what in our post here, or the username and password is filled, we give here if empty from error. If error is empty like this, error is empty, uh we give code here. What here? Maybe I will give this SQL1. SQL1. Here, I will take like this. I will take. Oh, we use double quote. Select, 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 and from user, from not from user, but from admin like this, where username seem like a quote like this, dollar username, username, close the quote. Sorry, we close the what is this, the quote, and we close the quote. If error is empty, select from admin where username is username this. If the username is same like our database, and now we make new command here. We give a name is Q1. For your information, the code here is up to you, as you wish. Uh, but you must understand what you type like that. Now, we type this MySQL e underscore query query fence like this dollar, and here we give a connection variable first, like your type here. Because I type here connection, I will type here connection to connection and SQL1, of course, this to make MySQL one include if I type key one, and then we give a new command again to make this key one again, or what, input, not input, what, place. We will make a command for place for key one here. We will use r1 like this, some like MySQL, MySQL fetch array key one. Now let's make a uh checking message here. We give like this dollar r1 if r1 if what input in r1 is in password. I will explain after I type like this. Just wait, because I can explain if I typing. Okay, until here I will explain you first. If R1 password, if R1 if what input in R1 here, G key satu here, G1 password not seem like password MD5 password here, if password here what input in here not same like MD5 password here, back to mm, our database before, and MD5 here I will explain you later. If not same like in the database, uh give the alert here or message. Mm, the message is like this. Up to you, but I want type akun is not found. Akun is not found. Don't forget to close every your code with dot comma. Next, we will make a condition check if the error does not occur. You write it here like this. If empathy error is nothing, uh, we type here underscore session uh like this, but here admin underscore username equal to dollar username. uh, if the login is this, if the login is successful like this, then we will redirect to other page. So later we will create a new file callet, for example, front admin like that. We type here, we give enter first, and then we give header fence like this, quote, double quote, location, because we will make what new folder name is the name of our folder. We will give the name of our new folder, then is front admin. We give here front underscore admin dot php. And I close first, and then I give an exit like this to make it sure redirect to our to make sure we will redirect to front admin. To test our code, let's open your browser. Oh, here, delay. The process is delay. Here, now open your myadmin, PHP myadmin. Open your browser in multi-user here and click admin. Now we will input new data, insert here with username. Oh, not yes, yes, here. We give username here admin like this, for example, and the password is 12345 6 like this. And then the password we will give an encryption with like we choose before MD5 here this. Great, cool, okay. We check in here now. Here we have data user admin like that. Now let's check the function here. First we try if we don't fill the password. What happened here? We click login. Nothing happened. Oh, we must give an extra back to your VS Code, and then we type here in here. In here we give like this. If in here in this part something error, we give if $error like this. The message is echo. We give output with echo like this, error like this. Oh, not error, but this message. We will type here message with double quote and ul like this. Oh, sorry, like this, and then we close the code. Okay, now let's check the result. Open your browser again. We type here admin and we click login. Okay, the alarm is has been displayed. Now we refresh. Oh, but if we has type here, we click login and we don't fill here not something. The type admin here is erased. We'll give a new code back to your VS Code, and then type here value this php echo username. Don't forget to close that. Okay, back to your browser again, and we type here admin. We click login. Okay, our admin type here not erased. And then we try to type the real password here. The password we type here 12345 12345 6. We click login. Okay, this correct. We has direct to the front underscore admin.php, but because we don't have front admin file, we see this type. Actually, this correct. Now, uh, let's make the front admin. But before that, let's try what happen if we, oh sorry, we type in login. Ah, we try if we click this local multi-user login.php if URL is login.php this. Oh no, I don't actually I don't need this or I don't want this. I want it we change this to login.php. We don't redirect to login.php, but I want to we redirect to front admin. I want redirect to here. I want to redirect to here. Oh, let's check get extra to our code. We give your session start to make it if we want back start like if we start but before that we make mm, condition conditional first we give checking with is set we keep checking here is set and then the we checking for this session uh fans admin underscore username sorry name the meaning is we if we has been login like that uh header redirect we give a redirect command header like this location front end underscore admin dot php. Let's try our code here we back I try to oh sorry I try to a refresh first and then we try to this change to login like that login enter refresh we type again admin 6 login and we try to change this login like that login enter okay this you see that if we type here login here displayed from PHP underscore metamin date the meaning our code is working like we want. Now let's make front admin. Open your Visual Studio Code here. We add file here. But before we create the front admin file, I think it's more efficient if we create two other new files name include header and include footer. So then we create a new file. We just include both enc that you will see the effect after. Now just following me make the code. Sorry, I mean is file or type here enc underscore header like this dot php and then we create new again sorry enc underscore header dot php. Then we create again enc underscore footer dot php. Oh, and the last we'll create new file like I say before, front admin front admin front underscore admin dot php. I will check first what the name here. Okay, front admin. I'm correct. Go in header file and type here exclamation mark. Sorry. Okay, exclamation mark. Type like this, and then we will create here crash app. Type. Sorry. Dot crash app like that. Type. Okay, and we'll erase this. Okay. Now we'll divided this quarter to two part. Part one, the top is for header and the bottom is for footer. Just cut this, Control X and go to footer and Control V here. Back into NC header because we'll make three file again. File for student, file for teacher, and file for staff. We'll make three file, but before that we will give an comment for checking here for what for yes for checking. We make PHP first. Sorry, not like that, but like that. Okay. Here we give session start. Session start. Before we input the connection first. Include include uh this enc score connection.php. Then we give your session start. Start session underscore sorry start like this, and then we give a condition here if like this. In this condition we will make if people or someone not have access to admin or yes for to admin user, will redirect he to a login page. Here we type here for checking we give ESET if the person is don't have a session to here admin underscore username redirect to login PHP. The this the meaning like that. Now we go to front PHP here. We will include the header and footer first. Type like this. This way to include the header and footer to get give close to. First we will include the header. Uh, Type like this. Sorry, include include uh, like this and double quote enc header dot php, and then we include the footer too. Here we give same like top here, we give php and we give close to. Here we give include include enc underscore footer dot php. Okay, and here we give a type to make a sign that is front admin page. We type with h1 here, and then we give front page like this, front page, and we give a message here, welcome to front page, welcome to front page, like that. We try in our browser, we refresh first. Okay, we admin, and then we type the password, we click login. Sorry. Okay, okay. Never. Cal undefined function start function htdoc header. Oh, okay, we check first. Header line 2. Oh, sorry. Says like this. Session underscore start. We back in, we refresh. Okay, front page, welcome to front page. Now we back to our VS Code. We will setting the decoration of our web. This will make a decoration to make it seem like login.php here in here, and then we'll give a table here, top of type front page. Now we give here link first, link to CSS, and then we give a table like I say before. Here we give nav like this, nav, because we will make a table, and then ul tab, and instead of ul we give le tab, and then we give anchor first. I think I will give anchor first, and then here I will give front admin. Yes, link for go to front admin. In here we give front page like this. Sorry, front page. We make a copy for this format to for again. We will make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we'll change here to front into other page. We'll give name teacher, maybe teacher, teacher here, and then we change here to teacher, and here we change to student here to student page, student like this, and the last is what, staff, I think staff. Yes, staff. Here I will change to staff. Here we change to stop. And the last year, we'll change to lockout because we'll make a lockout. We erase this and then we change to lock out like this. And here we change to lock out, lock out. We give decoration. Okay, like this. And because we was in VS Code, we'll style the style CSS first. Here we give input here. We setting the nav here, and we target nav uh, ul like this. We give this. We'll erase the list style. List style is dot, and we give padding 0 and margin 0 too. And we give our overflow here hidden. Overflow we give hidden. And then we target the nav ul le. Here we give float left, and then we setting the anchor. We target first nav ul le a anchor here. We give display is not block but inline block like this to make it one line. Then we give padding to make it more have spacing with a content or with the font like that. We change the color to white, maybe white is FF like this. Because the color is white, we will give a background is dark. We give here 333. Then we will erase the text decoration. Text decoration is a line under the font of anchor, and we give here margin right to make it spacing with between others. Here we give margin right is 5 px. And the last we'll setting the nav hover nav lea. Here we give an hover like this. We give a different background here. We choose this 666. We try to look what the result. We refresh here. Okay, we'll setting again. But before that, I think actually this what happened. Okay, if your code is unworking or don't work like here, you can block this first and then you enter. Because if you refresh here, this can be not have a change or not detected the change. Now let's make the page for teacher page, student page, tab page, and logout. But before that, if you think this is too big, you can setting again in here. You setting the width here. You change to 5. We try 5 first. We refresh. Okay. We we change little change here. We give 4 and 5 like this. Let's check the result. Refresh. Okay, I'm sorry. It's wrong. I think 8. Refresh again. Refresh. Oh, not enough. 9. Refresh. Maybe this. Like this. We refresh again. And then. What? You know what here? We try again. 4, 9, 5. Like this. Try the result. Hmm. Again, little again. We give 3. Okay, then 4. Actually, it's not important, but I will make the view. Okay, this enough. Now we will make the teacher page, student page, staff page, and log on. Open your VS Code, and then you give your create new file. The file is not front but teacher here. Teacher but dot a underscore admin.php. But I will see first in here in here. Oh, teacher student staff. Oh, here staff will be with big with capital font change to small to make same like other, and then we make student admin page. We just copy from here, copy, control C, and then open your file here, control V. Okay, then teacher student front, and then we make staff and logout. Copy here, control C, control V. Okay, and then we open our front admin here. We just copy the result of here. Oh, the code from front admin, control C, and we paste in the other page. First the teacher, control V, control V. We change here to teacher page like that. Teacher, sorry, teacher page, and then we change here teacher page, and then move to student here. We change to student too. Student. Here we change to student. And we go to staff here. We control V again. And we change to staff. Sorry. And we make a change for here to staff like this. Now let's just create a file for the logout process. We make file again here. The name is logout.php like this, and in here we don't copy like under control V like this, no, because it's different with other. Uh, Here we call the session this session respect to what here, login to admin user here, the meaning session star here. Here we give session star to this. The meaning here is admin user, like we input here, and we close, and directly we just destroy the here we just destroy, we give a destroy, and we direct to uh login page header location login page, like this. Let's try to see in our browser. Open your browser and block this and enter and refresh. We check in front page is front page, and teacher page is teacher page, student page is student page, start page and start page, and we click logout. Okay, we see the login page. If we try to enter from here, example, for example, I will enter to teacher page like this, teacher score page, sorry, teacher underscore page here. We give enter. Okay, not. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, the name is not teacher page, but we see first. Teacher admin. Sorry, the name is teacher admin. Okay, underscore admin. We try enter like this with URL. Okay, we can enter we from here. This is correct. Now, let's give more database in here. We click this and then in multi-user admin here we insert new file. The name is teacher like this, and the password is teacher2 to make us a C for grade. And here we give an encryption for our password. We use MD5 again. We here this is MD5. We go, okay. Insert to admin login user file is no teacher MD5 teacher, okay. We open, okay. Here we back to our document. Here I try to log in with teacher username, teacher like this, and the password is teacher, and we click the login. Uh, okay. Well, he displayed all the pages. Even though the plan is that I want the teacher admin only be able to access the teacher page here, teacher page. To make it, we return to PHP my admin page again, and we create a new table here, new, and then the name is maybe master access like this, or access master. Master access master, access master, access underscore master like this. And in master access table we just enter 2 point here. One is ID, mm, admin ID, or admin underscore ID. We make it varchar. The length is we give 25 this, okay, and then we make it primary And the second is we give name, maybe this varchar, and then we give length is 50. And this master access we create to register access right for each admin, and we save here. Save. Okay, here in access master we have 2 point here. One is admin ID and second is name ID. Now, let's insert the data. Click in insert here, and then first we will input what here teacher. Yes, we input teacher first. Teacher, and the name is same like comment or up to you here. I type here for teacher like this. For teacher, and here student here for student like this. Student like this, and we go first and we input kin. Mm, staff, staff here and here for staff. For staff, sorry, staff. Go. We see in sorry browse, and I will explain you the purpose of creating an extra message is access master is to connect between admin ID and here login ID uh who is here, and so that we can set each access right between admin. And to make that, we create a new table here to break it. Here we give name is admin access, admin underscore access like this, and here we give uh login ID, and here cancel. I forget what the meaning, what the value of, what the type of login ID here. We try to open from here, open again, and here I will try to see what the login ID type. Oh, integer, login ID integer, and then here we fill with this access master is admin ID. Sorry, admin underscore ID, and then the type is varchar, and the length is uh 50, and here we make it primary. Cool, and we save. If done, we make a relation view here, create new relation view, and then uh sorry, not did it. We back. Ah, structure again, relation again. Okay, here first we will uh set the admin ID. Database is multi-user, of course, and the table is access master. Correct here, access master, and the column is not. The column is admin IDs, correct. And we add new constraint here. We use login ID and username is database is multi-user. The table is admin. The column is column underscore ID. We save this. Two table in here has been created. Now we move to admin here to check. Here we have admin is and teacher and the admin access master. We have staff, student, and teacher. Here we go to admin here and we'll give right access. Here, oh, not in here, but in master access, we insert admin ID name. This we make admin can. Oh, sorry, not access master, but in admin access. Sorry. Here we insert. Here we make the admin can access all of page. Here admin one is ID for admin. We can see the teacher page and the student page and the staff page. But first we click go. Sorry. I wrong here. Edit. We check in master access. We'll check in instructor. What's wrong here? Nothing wrong here. Oh, this normal. We back to admin access. We check the structure here. Maybe we'll erase this. Okay. Now there's nothing primary and unique key in here. We back to insert column. We give admin again, and then here after teacher is student, we will please go. Okay. Successful. The trouble before is because the key unique key in admin. Now we check teacher, student, and the last is staff. Admin can see the staff page. This click go. We check in browse. Okay, this is the result. Now I will enter the right access for teacher. This teacher, and then teacher just can access the teacher page. We click go. We see in the browse here. Okay. Now let's see the application in our VS Code. Here, open the login PHP. Here we'll make a way. What if a user login? Beside we enter the session here. Here, sorry. Beside we enter the session in the from of the admin user, we will create the access right that we has. Let's scroll first. Let's scroll first, and then in here, uh, here we have made sure has access login. Therefore, we just need to enter here. In wait. Maybe in here, yes, because here we have made sure we has access login here admin user. Therefore, we just need to enter like this. If empathy empty error is empty from error like this. Here we make sure their user has access to access the page. Type here dollar SQL1. Maybe this SQL1. You can change this up to you, but importantly, you know what you type. And here we type select from admin here user or not username but login ID here. Login underscore ID. We change here to with login underscore ID. And for this, we make here a new command here for login ID. Login ID. We input like this dollar R1 login ID. Now we will make a login ID. Yeah, no, sorry. We'll make a key one for checking the connection and my query with this code. Dollar key one equal to MySQL underscore query dollar connection comma and dollar SQL1 type here, and we'll enter the code to while for the looping here. We give while and we enter to variable R1 like this, and we give equal my SQL E underscore page array. This we get my SQL E page array this from the variable. The name is this key one. Since we're forming into a loop, we will input uh into the access variable, maybe. For example, access variable like this. Because we forming into a loop. We give your access we make it array, and then we give like this dollar $a1 this access ID take from R1 this R1 here, and then this get from admin ID admin underscore ID. And if the person who's logged in try to log in our web but he don't have an access, we give a message like this. We give if like this, if empathy from access, yes, empathy from access from access this uh we give a message error access denied, or you can change here to like you don't have an access right like that, and we will register this code in here with session and score like this session we give array, we take from oh no, we make a new here admin access, admin access, and we get the data from this for access from variable access. Now let's checking in our browser what happened after we add a few code before. But before that, we'll go to header PHP and we'll print what happened uh, with our code. To make us SC easier for to SC for us identify the progress. Type your print underscore R and you give your session. We give your admin access. Okay, go to your browser again. Open here and we refresh. Okay. Here we try to input admin and password is 123456. We log in. Okay, we see this array 0. Oh, can can can. Okay, Waka. Now we'll add a new admin or new user. Here we insert and we'll insert now is student. Password is student. Then we give encryption with MD5. Where is MD5? Yeah, this MD5. Go. We click go and then okay, we back to our login page. Here we block, we enter, and we try to input the student username, student, and here the password is student, student. Still login. Actually, scan be login to our this front page because we don't register the student. Let's check what's wrong with here. Nah, this is we refresh login ID admin. This admin can nah like this. Actually, this is correct, but why is not working in our code? Log out. We try to teacher. Okay, here password is teacher. We click login. No, what happened here? Oh, okay, okay. Access structure privilege is can be open. Integer value. Russian view admin multi-user admin. Sorry. Okay. Mhm. Here we open again in here. We see the structure and you table is admin. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, let's try in here. Admin. Password 12345 6. If here is not working, the meaning is my laptop is delay like before. It's not working. Like delay, like what I make this code before is so small, and after waiting a few minutes, my code is active. But I think this like that. Now let's continue our code. Don't think about this. It's delay, I think, and then we'll make what? Make modification here to make it what we see if to make the display is like this. I open. I try to log in with student. The password is student2. Log in. And packet token is header 23. Okay, let's check header 23. Oh, we erase this first to make the result. Okay, we try again. Okay, if I log in with this with student, I just see the student here, not see teacher page or start page. We'll make like that. Go to our VS Code here, and we type again. Here we open the PHP, and then type here if fence like this in array in underscore array fence again double quote. Here we give teacher like this. Teacher, sorry, th her, comma, dollar session, dollar, underscore, session, fence skin is admin access. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's wrong. Where is the? Oh, yes, we open here the. Mm, oh, we'll make the script like this, and then we give enter here. What display? This quarter is to setting the display for teacher like this. Li Aharef teacher PHP admin just see teacher page like that. And then we close the fences crawl fences this, but we close with PHP like this, and we close. And you just following this like before. Here type if array student, student admin, staff admin like that. And then we just erase this. We erase this. Control don't control but delete. Let's see in our browser. I hope it's not bugging, inshallah. Starting. We try. Okay, we just see the front page, not see like teacher and what we say with just see the not see the teacher and SPP. Now if I log in with teacher like this, I just see the oh actually here the type is not front end page, but here is teacher page like that. But because I think this continue the bug before we don't see the here you can see that teacher page because our code is not working. I don't know your code is working or not, but my code is not working. But I think in your code is working. Actually, it's working in your code, but not working in here because I think my laptop is have error. Therefore, I don't think that. I just continue my code here, and then I will make what we say checking if the someone try to log in with two page and he don't have a right to log in. Here we will include the checking like type like this. If don't have in array like this, exclamation mark is the meaning you know. Here teacher just calling this teacher session admin access. We give echo to make someone uh not what Uh, not in lah like that. And then we give exit to make it automatically after directed we give exit. And we just copy this to other page. Control C here. We move to student admin here. Control V. We change this to student, and this correct. Admin here with Control V. We change to staff like this. Okay. Now let's register other staff admin access this. We don't register, but before we erase for the print this. Thank you for helping me print. Uh, Checking the error, and here we open we save in multi-user, and we will register the access in admin access, of course. Here we enter the student and staff. Student, sorry, student, only student, go, and staff. Where is staff? Nothing staff. What's wrong? We not already enter the staff. In here, we enter here first. Username is staff, password is staff. Like this. Cool. Okay, we back to admin access. Insert, and here we enter the staff, and here staff like this. We click cool. We check in pros. Okay, this is correct. We refresh this. Okay, the print is gone. And now I try login with staff or with student first. Student login. This error in here admin access. But I don't know. What's wrong? If I have a solution, I will post the solution in my YouTube. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.